Hey, what's up, Chainlink holder? This is the live price prediction of Chainlink coin to what's going on this time in the Chainlink. And exactly, my brother, what's the update, what's the technical analysis, everything we do in this video. But kindly, before I get started this video, I have one request to kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So, my brother, Chainlink big update is not available, especially on Twitter. I already check it on Google, but this time you can see here I will update you the last 1 hour. So you can see here the Chainlink plus 1.34%, and absolutely if you can see here the price is 29.921%. It's at the current time, as you can see here, Chainlink is completely going the moon and the Chainlink are very positive now. So let's see, my brother, let's dedicate this coin to what's going on this time and upcoming time, or what's in the future. Can that will make you a millionaire or not, my brother? So as you can see, my brother, in the last 7 days, you can see here the average come down, the percentage spells down, the negative minus 5.66%. The price will decrease now. You know why they fell down? Because especially in the start of, my friend, this month, especially in, my friend, in the May, and you can see here May 29, May 30, you can see how they falls down. Absolutely, the main reason is that at the end of month, short time investors they starting selling. After they starting selling, then they goes down very badly. So therefore, I think don't see this short fails, because you can see at the start of month they starting moving upward. It's mean, my brother, to in upcoming time there is more chances to in this month they moving upward, because in the start of month every graphic currency fails down. But absolutely this is very unique coin, my brothers, so in this time also they moving upward. So I hope in upcoming and next week they will completely go like a rocket. So you need to hold, don't sell it, and absolutely I will give you guarantee, my brothers, to upcoming times they will moving upward. So kindly hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. Please like this video and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.